Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change card language in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the actions, diplomacy, then to the actions, and then you'll see subject actions right here. And basically if you see change card language, you will be able to change that. So if you click on it, you'll see that you can change card language right here. And basically if you click on that one, you will be able to change a language, and that gains forced us to use their card language for 50 years and etc. So read all of this, and if you want to change a card language, you will need to confirm it by clicking it OK. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's for this tutorial. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.